Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stock contracts using an easy method. Stock contracts, commonly known as options, are financial agreements that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price by a specific date. There are two main types: call options, which allow you to buy, and put options, which allow you to sell. Each contract typically controls 100 shares of the underlying stock. Understanding these basics is your first step. Next, you'll need to select a reliable online brokerage firm. Many platforms offer options trading, so compare their fees and features. Once you've chosen, open and fund your brokerage account. This usually involves linking a bank account and transferring funds. Crucially, ensure your account is approved for options trading, as this often requires a separate application and approval process to confirm your understanding of the risks involved. Before placing any trade, thorough research is paramount. Investigate the underlying stock's performance, news, and future outlook. Familiarize yourself with option-specific metrics such as implied volatility, which indicates expected price movement, and open interest, showing active contracts. Crucially, develop a clear trading strategy. Define your entry and exit points, and always implement robust risk management to protect your capital. This disciplined approach is vital for success. Finally, it's time to execute your trade. On your brokerage platform, navigate to the options chain for the stock you've researched. Here, you'll see various strike prices and expiration dates. Select the call or put option that aligns with your strategy. When placing your order, consider using a limit order to specify the maximum price you're willing to pay, rather than a market order, which executes at the current best available price.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.